ultimate source for in-depth motorcycle reviews, tech insights, and the latest updates from the world of two wheels. Today, we are diving into one of the most surprising and nostalgic announcements of 2025, the return of a legend, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead. Yes, you heard that right. Harley has revived the iconic Shovelhead design with a modern twist, blending vintage appeal with contemporary performance. Whether you're a die-hard Harley enthusiast or simply love motorcycle history, this is a release you don't want to miss. Chassis and design. Retro done right. The chassis follows the same philosophy, retro aesthetics with modern engineering. The 2025 Shovelhead rides on a frame that mimics the classic Softail lines but features updated geometry for better handling and ride comfort. You'll notice the wide-set handlebars, the fat front tire, and a minimalist bobber-style rear fender, all nods to the custom culture the original Shovelhead helped create. Harley even brought back spoke wheels and matte chrome finishes to capture that vintage vibe, but it's not just a cosmetic throwback. The new Shovelhead uses a monoshock rear suspension and inverted front forks, giving it far better stability and road grip than its ancestors ever had. A brief history of the Shovelhead. To fully appreciate what Harley-Davidson has done in 2025, we need to take a step back in time. The original Shovelhead engine debuted in 1966 and was produced until 1984. It earned its name from the rocker boxes that resemble the head of a coal shovel. Replacing the pan head, the Shovelhead featured increased power and better airflow, making it a favorite for custom builders, chopper culture, and rebellious riders of the 1970s. The sound, the look, and the character of the Shovelhead became deeply ingrained in Harley's identity. For many, it symbolizes the gritty, raw spirit of American motorcycling. Why bring back the Shovelhead in 2025? Now, fast forward to today. Why would Harley-Davidson choose to resurrect a 60-year-old engine style in 2025? The answer lies in revival culture and brand identity. In recent years, Harley has faced pressure to connect with younger riders while still satisfying its loyal, long-time fan base. The revival of the Shovelhead is a move that speaks directly to the heart of its heritage. It's part nostalgia, part innovation, and entirely strategic. With electric bikes like the Livewire leading Harley into the future, the Shovelhead brings balance by keeping one foot firmly planted in the past. Engine and performance, classic looks, modern power. Let's talk about what really matters, the engine. The 2025 Shovelhead isn't a simple reissue of the old 74 or 80 cubic inch models. Instead, Harley has re-engineered the iconic design into a modern, emissions-compliant V-twin. It retains the distinctive shovel-shaped rocker boxes, but under the hood, it's packing updated internals. We are talking 114 cubic inches, about 1868 cubic centimeters, liquid cooling, electronic fuel injection, and a redesigned valve train for increased efficiency. It puts out an estimated 95 horsepower and 110 pound-foot of torque, delivering that signature Harley rumble while meeting today's stricter environmental standards. Technology integration. Old school meets new school. Where the 2025 Shovelhead really shines is in its integration of modern technology without ruining the old-school aesthetic. The analog-style speedometer cleverly hides a small digital display for trip info and diagnostics. There's Bluetooth connectivity, cruise control, ride modes, and ABS, all subtly built into the bike. Harley even added traction control and a customizable throttle response, making the Shovelhead surprisingly adaptable to different riding conditions. The electronic suite is designed to be intuitive, not intrusive, ensuring that while the rider enjoys vintage vibes, they also benefit from modern-day safety and convenience. Riding experience, the soul of the Shovel. So, how does it ride? According to early reviews and first impressions from test riders, the 2025 Shovelhead delivers an experience that's deeply visceral but surprisingly refined. The bike has that low-end grunt Harley is famous for, along with a smoother ride thanks to improved suspension and better weight distribution. The exhaust note has been tuned to mimic the deep, throaty pulse of the original Shovelhead, giving riders that satisfying lope at idle and a roar when opened up on the highway. Despite the modern upgrades, the bike remains a little raw, and that's a good thing. It feels alive, not overproduced. Customization potential, a canvas for builders. Harley knows its core audience, and they've made sure the 2025 Shovelhead is ready for customization. The frame allows for easy modding, and Harley has already released a catalog of aftermarket parts, including different exhaust systems, solo seats, ape hangers, and even retro tank badges. Builders and garage enthusiasts are going to love how this bike can be turned into a chopper, a bobber, or a cafe racer, just like the originals were. This is Harley's way of keeping the DIY spirit alive while still offering a reliable and modern base. Target audience. Who is this bike for? The 2025 Shovelhead is not for everyone. And that's exactly the point. This bike isn't trying to compete with sport bikes or high-tech adventure tourers. Instead, it's aimed at riders who value character, nostalgia, and craftsmanship. It's for the Harley loyalists who remember the 70s, and the younger generation who missed the golden age but want a piece of it. It's also a statement bike, something that turns heads at a stoplight and starts conversations at the gas station. If you're the kind of rider who appreciates a bike with soul, this one's for you. Pricing and availability. As for the price, you're looking at a starting MSRP of around $21,999 in the US, with several trim and paint options available. Special editions with hand-painted tanks and vintage logos are expected to cost more, possibly crossing the $25,000 mark. Availability will begin in late 2025, with pre-orders already open at select dealerships. Given the buzz around this release, early demand is expected to be strong, and Harley has hinted that this may be a limited-run model, depending on market response. Conclusion: a legend reborn. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead isn't just a motorcycle. It's a tribute, a time machine, and a bold statement all in one. It shows that Harley-Davidson understands the value of its legacy while still keeping up with modern expectations. In an era of hypertech electric bikes and quiet efficiency, the Shovelhead brings back the raw emotion of riding, the mechanical beauty of vintage engines, and the rebellious freedom that made Harley a cultural icon. Whether you're riding it, restoring it, or just admiring it, this bike demands respect. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Updater Pro. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on the latest motorcycle news, reviews, and retrospectives. Drop your thoughts about the 2025 Shovelhead in the comments. Would you ride it? Would you customize it? Or do you think Harley should have left the legend in the past? Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep your wheels on the road.